Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have to u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0 in here. This one we have ns to the power of n minus 1 ds. Because we don't have bn in here, so we need to divide both sides by bn. So the square root we change by u. S to the power of n minus 1 ds we change by this one. So number 2 I will put outside. U and u we have u square. The integration of u square we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.